when you have no life. You should just keep rolling to your left. Giggle. Good. Put the wood in the door. So you... So that was Jared. It's pretty dope.
Really cold. Really cold. We'll try the side door.
Okay, we good. We should lock both doors. I want him to go through the side door. I figured.
Really cold.
So he thinks it's cold out there.
Really cold.
Who's gonna make dinner tomorrow?
I will do it. Just let me in.
You pinky swear?
I pinky swear.
If you don't do it, I get your YouTube channel, like your username and password. Shay got it? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm just gonna open the front one.
Really cold.
Okay, yeah, you figured out the rest.
Really cold. I knew there's something gonna happen, but I...
Touch my hand like we're in jail.
My hand cold?
No? You know what you should do?
I'm gonna get in the shower. Once I
You know what you
decide, I'm
should
gonna go right in the shower.
You know what you should do?
What? Let me in?
Okay, I'll let you in if you double tap on you'll make dinner tomorrow.
What?
You make dinner for the rest of the week, double tap.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll make dinner for the rest of the week.
Yeah. Okay, if you break this promise, I get your YouTube channel and I get to delete it.
Okay. Can I just come in, please?
Shay got it!
You need double tap down there.
Yeah, but we gotta make... So now it's on video.
In the shower. Please.
But I never said anything about the shower!
Please.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna shower with me? That's weird. We're siblings. Bye.